We're currently on 3.6 million per annum. With some of the processes and things we're implementing, we're definitely going to smash our targets for this year. I signed up to Trade Mastermind. I kind of lost love with the business. I didn't know what I was getting up for in the morning. I had no oomph to grow and move forward. Coming to Trade Mastermind and being around like-minded businesses that want to grow and push their businesses forward gave me the oomph and the encouragement and sort of want to move forward and to grow and scale. Back in April when I came up to the Discovery Day, like I said, I had no enthusiasm for the business. I was just going through the motion. Every time I used to go into the office, it used to fill me with dread. I didn't know what I was meant to be doing. I didn't know how to grow the business, and I didn't know what it needed to be doing. From coming and hearing Joe speak, it sort of ignited a bit of a fire in me and sort of made me hungry for moving forward. And yeah, now when I'm in the office, I've got actionable goals and things that I want to achieve and want to do and help me grow the business. So this time next year, I would like to double my business size. We're potentially looking at acquisitions for other businesses as well. Yeah, basically we just want to grow and expand. So.